So this is the black hive. It's a 3-foot hive. It has 20 top bars. This hive has been very, very busy and active for quite a while now. Just now as I was approaching it, the bees were bumping into me. So they're not making any kind of loud, buzzing, angry noises. They all seem pretty calm. So I'm gonna take the top off and open it up and examine a couple of the combs and see if everything's looking okay. The tools that I have a on top of the hive, I have a comb holder where I can place the comb and on there and let go of it, so I can examine both sides of it without having to turn it around. I've got my new bee chaser and I've got my hive tool. So now let's open it up. Taking the top off. Had a pesky cricket in there. So let's just see how far back the comb goes. I've got propolis holding the top bars in place. It's got to be stuck in my hair. Calm some of these bees down. They're getting a little aggressive. Need a little smoke. Took a stung to the face, bee stung my face, and a bee stung my head. Had to go back and get the smoke. They have built comb all the way up to the front after I left space of 3 combs. Let's see if I can take a look real quick. I don't want to be in here too long. The hive is definitely making a lot more noise than they were just a few minutes ago. Let me keep this smoke puffing really good. Calm them down. Take my hive tool and break off some of this propolis. See what's going on here. I have got real sticky propolis all the way back. Oh, they're coming after me again. Gonna be in my hair. Time to get the veil on, I think. The bees were still pretty aggressive towards me, so I went back and got the veil, put the veil on, and give them some more smoke here. See if I can't break into this back. See, I got this bee coming after me right now. They are not happy with me getting in the hive today. I'll try to do this quick. Don't bother them too much. I got the back one loose. And even the back one, this beehive, so this hive is just full of comb, all the way from the front to the back. These are honeycombs in the very back, and they are just jam-packed full of honey. I can see the next comb in, and it is loaded with honey. I'll try to get this put back together. Come on, girls, get back in there. Get back in there, girls. Okay, I can hear the hive getting really pissed off. The buzzing has increased dramatically. This is one producing hive right here. Okay, time to close it back up. Okay,